Welcome to the National Bowling Academy. My name is Richard Shockley, Director of Bowler Development for the Bowlersmart Company, USBC Gold Level Coach. Today I'd like to talk to you about knee continuation. Of all of the years that I've been coaching, this is such an important area of the game. Professionals, amateurs that I've seen back in the days when I was at the Kegel Training Center had a lot of opportunities to see the best in the world. Knee continuation is something that gives you great balance and control at the bottom of the swing. So many amateurs that I've worked with in the past that come to me for lessons, what we call fall out of the shot. They never maintain balance because their knee, their sliding leg, stiffens up and they fall off usually one way or the other. So it's really an important topic, and I'd like to show you that now. All right, as we see Haley coming into her slide at this particular point, you can see her wonderful balance because her knee is continuing to go forward almost all the way to the foul line. It's really an important factor, and you see it helps her trailing leg, her balance position. Everything is so much in control. A lot of boulders will fall off facing this to the right, and they won't have that continuation in that knee bend for terrific balance. Haley does such a great job with this. It's fantastic.